Ready to share your business plan with the world? The stakes are high. Whether you're presenting to clients or investors, you have to make a great first impression. Business plan PowerPoint presentations are your friend. With an impressive slide deck, you can win over even the toughest audiences. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to quickly make great business plan presentations with PowerPoint PPT templates. The best business plan PowerPoint presentations are built using premium templates, and the best place to find these is Envato Elements. Elements is an all-you-can-download resource for creatives with a powerful offer: unlimited downloads. For a flat monthly rate, you can download and use as many business plan PPT templates as you want. Plus, Elements has other digital assets that you'll find useful, like fonts, stock photos, and more. For this tutorial, I'm using the Business Plan 3.0 PowerPoint template. I've downloaded it from Envato Elements and it's open in PowerPoint, as you can see here. I'll navigate through some of the slides. As you can see, these slide layouts help you craft a complete, elegant deck. Keep in mind, you likely won't need to use every single slide. This shows the advantage of premium templates. You can choose only the slides you need to get your message across. Then you'll customize them just by swapping out existing content and adding your own. To get started, it's a great idea to introduce your team. Putting faces with names and roles helps your audience connect with your business plan. As you can see, this slide has a trio of placeholders for team intros. First up, add in the names of your team members, along with brief descriptions of their roles. To do that, click into one of the text boxes as you're seeing me do here. Then start typing. The existing text will vanish, replaced with what you're typing. Flashing forward, you can see what the slide looks like with new text filled in. This is a good time to revisit the Envato Elements offer. As a member, you also have access to thousands of custom fonts. These fonts are the perfect complements to your slides. They help you style text in new and unforgettable ways. Browse the vast library and download your favorite fonts today. Back on the slide here, it's time to add images. These circles are image placeholders. To add photos, browse to an image file stored on your computer. Then drag and drop it onto one of the placeholders. PowerPoint will import the photo, sized and scaled to fit perfectly. Again, I'll jump ahead to showcase the finished slide. Next, let's work with an infographic slide. When you're giving your business plan presentation, avoid being too wordy. You'll lose your audience. Instead, focus on clear and concise visuals to convey your key points. A slide like number 24 here is a perfect example. These colorful bars here can be used to illustrate project progress. Again, I can change out the text as needed, as we did on the prior slide. Then, the bars can be adjusted simply by selecting them and pulling on the end. This way, you can make the slide infographic work for you. I'll craft this one to show progress in app development, a key milestone for many businesses. Let's look at another slide to show off how easy it is to customize business plan PowerPoint presentations. Slide number 13 here has these colorful circles using the sleek 3D palette included in the template. It looks great, but remember, you aren't stuck using default colors. Imagine, for instance, that you want to match your slides to your brand colors. To do that, you'll need to change the colors of some shapes. To demonstrate, I'll select one of these circles here. Notice that a new tab appears up here on the ribbon, Shape Format. This is the control center for many design elements. Clicking on it, you'll then see this shape fill drop-down menu. Opening it up, you can view and apply new colors. Pick one of the thumbnails and watch as the selected shape transforms. From here, you can build out the balance of your business plan PowerPoint deck. Again, you're simply filling in your relevant details on each slide that you've selected. Remember the key rules. Don't be too wordy and be sure to include plenty of visual illustrations. Slide layouts like these help you outline your business plans to win over potential clients, investors, or employees. Last but not least, you'll want to save a finished copy of your slides to share. Find the File drop-down menu up here in the upper left corner. Open it up, then choose Save As. Give your presentation a name and then click Save. It's truly that easy. As you can see, it's amazingly simple to build stunning business plan PowerPoint presentations. That's all thanks to premium templates from Envato Elements. With unlimited downloads and thousands of options, it's the best value for creatives today. Explore the collection and join now. Before you go, please be sure to like this video. Then subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. There you'll find more tutorials like this, along with content collections, courses, and so much more. I'm Andrew Childers for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks so much for joining me.